Thank you, Tao, for the very nice overview about the UDI implementation in China. If you see how many UDI systems are currently popping up around the world, the more important a global UDI data management becomes. Let me explain first the currently most important upcoming UDI system, the UDAMED database structure. The UDAMED database structure is divided in 3 levels. The top level is the basic UDI-DI. This level has a unique identifier called basic UDI-DI code or global model number. The basic UDI-DI is standing for the product family, which will contain the main attributes. For one basic UDI-DI, you will need exactly one approval certificate. The certificate itself contains the GMN, the global model number, so that the assignment of the certificate and the product family is unique. On this level, there will be different attributes where you have to enter the needed informations. Those are, for example, the risk class, model number, issuing agency, the legal manufacturer SRN, device model, and much more. The second level is the UDI-DI. The UDI-DI data reflects each of your products. These SKUs are the product which your company are selling. The UDI-DI has as key field the UDI-DI code, or also called primary DI number. The primary DI number is a HIPC number or a GS1 number, depending which issuing agency your company has chosen. The UDI-DI has also single UDI attributes like the basic UDI, but on this level you have additional UDI attributes in subtables. Those are, for example, the storage handling informations. There you should maintain multiple rows, and in each row you can enter the specific storage handling informations. Furthermore, there are the clinical size types. Here you can add as well multiple rows and maintain the product specific clinical sizes. And we have listed here also the critical warnings, and there are some other subtables to maintain. The UDI-DI record can be assigned to exactly one basic UDI-DI, but one basic UDI-DI can have one or more UDI-DIs. The third level is the packaging hierarchy. Each UDI-DI can have, of course, different packaging sizes. That means you can sell the same product in a single package, or you can put multiple pieces in one package and sell it as 10 or 20 pieces, for example. All different package size of your product has to be entered in this level. Each packaging level should have a unique primary DI number. Please note that we are talking here about sales unit and not about shipping units. All package hierarchy entries are referring to the next smaller package. The data fields are called as child UDI code, where you have to enter the primary DI of the smaller package. So let's make us an example to better understand all these levels. As basic UDI-DI, we have here, for example, ceramic brackets with the brand name Best Fit. I suppose you know what these brackets are. These looks like in the picture here. On the top level, we have now the ceramic brackets as main product. This is the product family, and for the UDI-DI, we have our real product in different sizes. On the top, we have the big size bracket with one piece as basic quantity. In the middle, we have the mid-size bracket with one piece as basic quantity. And in the last row, we have the small size bracket also with one piece as basic quantity. The main difference between them are the size. It could be also the color, for example. In this example, the packaging hierarchy looks like the following. On the first level, we have a 5 package that refers to the single product. On the second level, we have a 10 package, which in return refers to the 5 package, and its primary UDI, which is this one. On the third level, we have a 50s package, which again refers to the next smaller package, in this case the package of 10s. That would be this one.